Hi there, my name is Steve, and it's really nice to meet you here at this house party. I just needed to come across the room to say I've been in love since my eyes first fell on you. If you're not busy later, maybe we could take a walk together. You might like my wits and my charm. And if you're not busy after that, maybe we could get married, have a couple of kids, we could get a dog, raise a house and a family by the beach, and eventually die of old age in each other's arms. You turn to me with that beautiful gaze and you part those perfect lips. And I know that it is gonna sound crazy, but honestly, my whole life has been leading up to this. And you say, fucking excuse me. Now I realize that the thing that I just said is the single most horrible, creepy, stalker, serial killer thing anyone's ever uttered. And I wish that I was dead. I can't believe the shit that I've just got myself in. Now I have no choice but to jump in and swim. So honestly, here it is. Now I'm gonna have to go home and masturbate to your Facebook photos. You know the one I mean. Yeah, it's you in that bikini at the beach. I'm doing spy research like James Bond or Jason Bourne, but I'm using your treasured memories as filthy, filthy porn. I'm not trying to offend, and I'm not trying to objectify you. I'm just saying that you are the indirect cause of the release of some of my bodily fluids. It's a compliment, so take it as it was meant. Baby, I could compliment you. And that's a particularly clever joke there, because compliment with an I means, oh my God, I love your necklace. That woman there, hello miss, the woman who lives at 37 in Ballymore Road out in Galway. Yes, we can see you. If I said, oh my God, I love your necklace, but that's a compliment, but I wouldn't mean necklace, I'd mean tits, because all men are bastards. And but a compliment with an E means to bring to completion or perfection, and that's a nice thing to say to a lady at a house party or on the internet who I just met, that I could be the last piece of the puzzle, the cherry on top of your life cake, the thing that brings your life to a sense of more wholeness and perfection than you ever thought was possible. And that's sweet, but sadly she didn't seem to think so. In fact, at the party, a ring of people had formed around us, and she was backing away quite quickly while a large man came over. Now, he might have been her brother or her husband or just a concerned onlooker. To be honest, I didn't really get a good look at his face. All I saw was a very large looming shadow and then shovel-like hands grip around my throat, and then I blacked out a lot. And I wake up the very next day and feel all that love and joy and elation melt away into heartache and frustration. I want you so bad that it makes me sick, but now my honesty's made me look like a dangerous lunatic. And I think this must be how supervillains are born. I'm just one science accident away from a pair of horns and a cape and a dream and a team of minions who will help me to enslave society. And I look down upon you with my high-def satellite camera in space as I gaze upon your beautiful face, as I blow up Western Europe with the laser on my deadly moon base. And I'll scream, you did this to me. They say that romance is dead, but now so are you, and so are all of your friends and most of Western Europe. But all's well that ends. Well, maybe I just should have gone home and masturbated to your Facebook photos. You know the one I mean, yeah, it's you in that bikini at the beach. And honestly, you wouldn't have uploaded it if you didn't know about guys like me. 'Cause you and I both know that that photo makes it really clear that you've got a really smashing pair of necklace, yeah. Ooh, ha 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 ha.